Hey there, and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Windows 10 and 11 without activating Windows. To enable dark mode without activating Windows, open the Run box by pressing the Windows key together with R. Next, type regedit and then click on OK or press Enter. That will open the registry editor. Now navigate to the following key. H key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, themes, then personalize. Next, you need to change the value of two registry keys here. The first one is the Apps Use Lite theme key. Double-click on it, change the value to 0 and then click on OK. The second one is the System Uses Lite theme key. Double-click on it, change the value to 0 and then click on OK. Now you can close the registry editor. Next, open the Task Manager. In the running processes, find Windows Explorer and then restart the process. Alternatively, you can also just restart your computer. Your system should now be in dark mode without Windows being activated. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.